It's time for a mystery box. And look how big this box is. Okay guys, let's open this box. It's a big one. Looks like it only has tape in one area. So it pulls up like this. And it's all packaged nice. And look what I see. A new Cutie. Remember, the description is in the link. The link is in the description below. This Cutie is Seafoam. There it is. Seafoam Cutie, brand new Cutie. But let's see what's in the box. We have tools. It's all packaged so nicely. We have a brayer and these tweezers. These are great tweezers, great brayer. It'll help stick things down on your mat better. Lift this up. And there's more. Ooh, perfect. This is the holiday box. So we have iron-on and this, and then it has also other ones in there, pattern iron-on. We have green iron-on. This is called Kelly. Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On. And red Strong Bond Everyday Iron-On. Look what you guys have been asking for. So many of you have asked for paper. There's paper. But let's get through these first. We have premium removable in green. Premium removable in red. Premium removable in Merlot sampler. So it has silver, red, and white. And then premium removable in white. You guys, these are great to make decals for windows, for your car, for stickers, for anything. And then, okay, this is empty. Oh my gosh, there's even a mat. So, cardstock sampler holiday. I'm gonna open it up so you can see them. This is 80-pound cardstock, but it's in the mystery box. How many boxes are you gonna buy? I think they only allow one per order. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's take these off. There's 24 sheets total. Oh, we have 2 colors of red. There's 2 colors of red. We have kind of like a minty green, kind of like a light teal, like it kind of has a little bluish in there. And then we have 2 colors of green. So we have the brighter green and then the darker green. And we have cream. Awesome. These would make great Christmas gifts, shadow boxes, ornament decorations with all of this. You can make banners. So much you can do with that. And then you get the all needed mat. Everybody needs a mat. This is the 12 by 12 standard grip mat. You get 2 mats in here. So there are 2 mats. So you get 2 mats, you get 24 sheets of cardstock in Christmas colors, and you get all of this vinyl and iron-on and tools. And don't forget the Seafoam Cutie. Isn't it amazing? Okay, remember, this box is for Access members only. And because you have access, you get a discount on this box. you get 10% off. But if you have premium access, you get 20% off. My code does not work on this box, but if you want to add more things to your cart, my code will work on the other things. And there is an amazing sale right now. So make sure you go shopping and make sure you guys all have a great Thanksgiving if you're in the United States. And this box is available for everybody in the United States and Canada. So make sure you guys have an awesome holiday weekend. Be safe. And leave me a comment if you like this box. Personally, I think it's the best mystery box I have ever seen. So make sure you click that link in the description. I do get a small commission when you do that, and Cricut did send me this box. Thank you, Cricut, for sending me the box. If you want to be notified every time there's a mystery box, make sure you sign up for my emails. That is in the description below. All right, bye guys. I will see you in a few days when I get back from vacation for Cricut Design Space class. Love you. Bye.